Welcome to the Lippert Technical Institute, your premier destination for exceptional RV education. We're dedicated to providing you with the latest and greatest in RV knowledge by continuously updating our resources and introducing new content. Our goal is to help you expand and enhance your knowledge of everything RV related. Charlie kicked things off this month by tackling how to replace a Atwood Dometic furnace with a Furrion furnace. In this video, Charlie exposes every detail you need to know when upgrading or replacing your RV furnace. Next, our team collaborated with experts over at Alpha to bring you a series of videos that cover RV roof repairs and inspections. You can follow along as I perform a variety of repairs that could help you keep your camper on the road. And not only did we release our 5th episode of the Technical Institute show, but we also shared a quick look at the Lippert Technical Institute campus, where you get a peek at all of the events that happen at our facility.
Our featured documents for the month of September support exciting new additions in Axelon suspension products. Our technical writing, research, and CAD teams work together along with plant engineers to create CURT touring suspension light duty and CURT touring suspension heavy duty manuals. CURT's advanced coil spring technology reduces road shock by 50%, providing a smoother, more comfortable ride on highways, over railroad tracks, and through mountain roads, wherever the adventure leads.
We have several upcoming training opportunities for RV technicians and owners. On November 5th, join our team in Mesa, Arizona for our last RV Owner School of the Year. Led by Lippert experts, this one-day crash course will provide in-depth insights into the Lippert products on your rig, including system operation, troubleshooting, and maintenance tips. If you're an RV technician, join us for a regional seminar. These lecture-based events are held in various places across the U.S., with some parts and pieces used for demonstration. We will be in Minneapolis, Minnesota on October 15th through 17th, Mesa, Arizona on November 6th through 7th, and Athens, Texas on December 17th through the 19th. If you're looking for a more in-depth, hands-on training experience, visit us for our last Technician Service School of the Year on November 12th through the 14th. You'll have the opportunity to use our hands-on resources to simulate real-life scenarios you may encounter in the field at our nationally recognized facility in Mishawaka, Indiana. Don't miss out, register today. These are just a few highlights from this last month and for what is coming up here at the Technical Institute. From our engaging YouTube channels to the comprehensive online learning platform of our Technical Institute and our ever-helpful support site, we've got you covered. Each resource is thoughtfully designed to inspire, educate, and empower. Whether you're just starting your RV journey or you're a seasoned technician, there's something valuable for everyone. Don't forget to join us next time as we explore our latest releases. We look forward to seeing you there.